Welcome to 47 North Street. There's a dedicated car bay here, just in here. Let's have a look inside. So we've got a storage room, just there, little garden, and this is the unit here. So very modern, tile flooring, split cycle air conditioning. Stone bench tops, a dishwasher, nice tile splashback. Internal laundry in here. Bedroom number 1. A good amount of space. Nice little window and a built-in robe. Bedroom number 2. Windows that open and also built-in robe. And then the bathroom. Shower, toilet, all quite modern. Back through to the main living space, kitchen again. And then you've got an external courtyard with a bit of an awning. A good amount of private space here. This is where you've got your gas hot water system, an outdoor tap, a washing line, a split cycle unit, outdoor power points, nice private little outdoor space. Very clean, modern and well presented today. That's 47 North Street.